Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. It is August the 24th, and I would like to do an update for you on my red Malabar spinach. Red Malabar spinach is a superfood that I've been growing for a few years now. It is called spinach, but it's not in the spinach family. It is more of a vine, and it loves the heat. So when regular spinach is dying from the heat, red Malabar spinach starts to take off. I've been growing some in my place here in the corner of my garden where I have a compost pile, and it is doing amazingly well here. I haven't planted any Malabar spinach for a few years now because it self-seeds so well. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what's going on. Yeah, like I was saying, it has gotten a little invasive. Started trying to cover over my blackberries here, which are still putting out some blooms here. This is one I just planted last fall or last winter. This plant is doing really well. It's got a lot of blooms and looks like we're going to get some more berries from it this year. But like I said, this is a fig tree that I just put this stick in the ground in the spring, and it's starting to take off now. But the the Malabar spinach was starting to take off to cover that up too. So I did have to pull some of it back. Look at all these little plants though. All this came up by itself, and I really have thinned quite a bit of it out. Now we're getting down to my wood chips again. See that? Back to Eden Garden is so amazing. I need to put more wood chips on. It takes time. So anyways, just throw that on my compost pile. Show you my pile of wood chips that I have to put on my garden. There it is over there, ready to go. I have other Malabar spinach that's come up on my tomato cages. That's some right there on my tomato cage, which I don't mind too bad until it starts choking my tomatoes out, and then I'll start pulling it up. There's even some on the far side of my garden where I start doing my tours, so it's all over the place. Alright, well, thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't click the bell so you get updated on everything right away. And so if I do a live stream, you'll be notified of that too. The sun is coming up. Looks like it's going to be a great day. It's actually a little chilly this morning. So fall is coming. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day. So when regular spinach is dying from the heat, red Malabar spinach starts to take off. 3, 2, 1. So when red Malabar, 3, 2, 1. It is 3, 2, 1. Red Malabar spinach is a superfood. 3, 2, 1. Red Malabar spinach is another superfood that I grow.